Tonight's breaking news story. PC DIY cable management icon and YouTube extraordinaire Sam puts down the artistic tooling in favour of reverse connection technology. Whilst industry demands continue to push in the direction of ultra-clean PC building, the nation is divided on the future of BTF technology. Now, we'll go live with my correspondent Matt, who's on the scene with Sam, to talk about the developments as they unfold. Over to you, Matt. Thanks, Matt. I'm live here with Sam, who's widely recognised for his cable management and PC build interior aesthetics.
Why are you talking like that?
I'm doing news reporting. This is how news reporters report. A recent investigation found that you've taken well to the BTF format, and interior power cables no longer matter. Can you comment on this?
I literally never said that. In fact, the cable management side of building a PC is something I take very seriously and passionately.
Well, it's clear from Sam's initial response that Bad Connect technology is by far superior. Sam, tell us, how does it make you feel when the 24-pin is no longer on show?
I hate not seeing it actually. Don't get me wrong, I love the ease of BTF, but the cables themselves can add a certain value and aesthetic.
Alright, I understand. So for our listeners and watchers, the short version is that the 24-pin is something you're happy to ignore, and the BTF aesthetic is going to win the world over. Interesting.
Matt, why are you being like this? You know those are words I never said. BTF is a unique ecosystem which should be looked at as an alternative, not a replacement.
It's the news, Sam. I've got to dramatise it. Right, let me get things back on tracks. A recent study saw the sales of extension cables plummet in what can only be described as a manslaughter of the PC DIY community, inspired by the YouTubers such as Sam, who continues to...
That's enough. The future isn't like this. You're not like this. The whole industry is doing fine. Manslaughter of the PC community? What the heck next?
Wanna buy some RAM? $8,000.